Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with honey calcite, the stone of confidence. And for those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your support and your curiosity and your love of learning about crystals and gemstones. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to its qualities, and determining if it's a gemstone that can support you in your everyday life situations. If you haven't already watched the video, The Top 4 Crystal Healing Benefits of Honey Calcite, then I'll link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and go watch that one so you can get a feel for the healing and supportive benefits of honey calcite before we start into this meditation. If you do have some honey calcite, this is a good time to go get it and set it beside you. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. If anything in this video, if any of the prompts feel really familiar or comfortable to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you may want to purchase some honey calcite and work with it some more. If you are looking to purchase honey calcite, then I do have honey calcite on my online crystal healing store, and I have bracelet and gemstone sets available as well. And I will put a link to my online store in the eye above and in the description below. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to imagine it if you don't have one with you, then the only other thing that you need for this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, it could be in a chair, or it could be directly on the ground outside. I do highly recommend that. It's a wonderful place to meditate. So if you have your gemstone and your comfortable seat, then we're ready to begin. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to how it feels to breathe right now. Some days it's easier than others to feel comfortable breathing. What is it like for you today? And then bringing your attention to your physical body and noticing if there's any sensations that you're feeling right now. And checking in with your heart and your emotions, your mind and your thoughts, and just noticing what's going on right now. And we're not trying to stop anything or fix anything. We're just checking in and seeing what's going on with us right now. And then bring your attention to those parts on your body that touch the cushion or chair or ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire globe. The entire mass of the earth is there to support you, and you're sitting directly over the center of it. And you have access to all of the energy within the earth. And it will support and protect you during this meditation today. Now, if you have your piece of honey calcite, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the calcite today. And then taking a minute to hold the calcite in your hand and to feel its weight, to feel its surface texture, where parts might be smooth or rough. Maybe you have a rough piece. Maybe it's polished. Take a minute to get to know your piece of calcite. And if you don't have calcite with you today, then imagine a stone that is honey golden and bright and shimmery. And notice if anything has changed in your mind, body, or heart since you've picked up the honey calcite. And imagine yourself sitting on the grass under the bright, shining sun. Its sunbeams warm and awaken you. And sit with this image of honey calcite energy for a minute. Honey calcite is the stone of confidence. As you sit and hold or imagine the stone, then consider the following questions and how they might relate to your life right now. Are you in need of a boost of confidence? Have you been suffering from self-doubt and self-criticism? Is there a goal you are trying to accomplish? And have you been running into obstacles while trying to achieve this goal? Would you like a more optimistic view or perspective of your life situation? Are you a leader, a manager, or somebody who motivates people as a living? Do you have an upcoming job interview, a speech, or an important meeting and your need for some extra confidence while performing that task. Honey calcite is extremely supportive of all of these areas in our life. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your heart and body and mind. And we'll sit with that for a couple of minutes while you hold the honey calcite and notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation while you're holding the calcite. Notice if anything is changing about the way you feel about that situation. Not trying to force anything, but just notice. Notice if anything has changed with your physical sensations, your heart, your mind, since we started this meditation. And then release the image of the honey calcite energy and let go of that situation that you were sitting with and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this guided meditation with honey calcite today. And if you found this useful and you feel like honey calcite is a stone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really and quickly call up the essence of the honey calcite energy as soon as you pick it up. You need some confidence, you need a little bit of brightness, you pick it up, sit with it, and it's there for you quickly and easily. And that's the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. Knowing which situations that you need support with, knowing which gemstones can assist you, and using them when you need it. If you're new to the channel and you're interested in how to use a variety of gemstones in your life, then I review a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post a video about the healing and supportive benefits of that gemstone, and on Fridays, I post a guided meditation designed just for that gemstone. So if you're interested in learning about how to incorporate crystal healing into your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I'll see you again next week.